Good morning, students. Today, Standard 10th English, Unit 3, 3.1, new poem, Night of the Scorpion. So, today we are going to learn the poem Night of the Scorpion, and the poem is written by Nazim Ezekiel, the Indian poet. He was born in 1924 and died on 2004. So, Nazim Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic. He was a foundational figure in the post-colonial India's literary history, specifically for Indian writing of a wide range. So, he had his great contribution in Indian literature, in Indian history. So, the poet describes the selfless love of a mother who is stung by a scorpion. So, here poet is narrating his experience of that night when his mother who is stung by a scorpion. So, let us start the poem. This is students' first stanza. I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of a rice. So what your poet says, the poet remembers the night when his mother was stung by a scorpion, okay, and that it had been raining for 10 hours, constantly 10 hours. Then what happened? So there who came? The scorpion. The scorpion came there for what purpose? To escape from such a heavy rain, and he entered to the poet's house and to crawl beneath a sack of rice, and where he stung to poet's mother. Next stanza. Parting with his poison flash, a diabolic tale in the dark room, he risked the rain again. So what happened? So he had beaten the poet's mother, and after parting his poison in the dark room, again he turned out towards the heavy run. Again he came out from that dark room and he take risks of that rain again. Means after biting to poet's mother, he went back towards the rain. Next stanza. The peasants came like swarms of flies and buzzed a name of God of 100 times to paralyze the evil one. So that news spread alongside. By hearing that news, those were the peasants, farmers, villagers. They came to poet's house, but how they came? While coming, they were enchanting. They were taking the name of God at the 100 times. So it was the sound of the name of God with 100 times. They come for what purpose? To paralyze the evil one. So means here to stop that activity, for that purpose they took the name of God 100 times. Now next stanza. With candles, with lanterns, throwing giant scorpion shadows on the mud-baked walls, they searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues with every movement that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood, they said. What happened? When they had searched for the scorpion with lanterns, with that candles, they were finding to that scorpion, but and that throwing huge shadows resulting that scorpion, but they did not find them. So they did not find to that scorpion. So where the mud black walls, they searched for him. He was not found. They clicked their tongues. So they clicked their tongues with nervousness, with sad mood. Why? Because they did not find that scorpion. Okay, so the scorpion With every movement that the scorpion made, his poison moved in mother's blood. They said, they means what? That pigeons, that villagers. So they said to poet, his family, every movement, the poison of that scorpion is moved in mother's blood. Means it is moving in that mother's blood, which is very dangerous. See, now the next answer. May he sit still, they said. May the sins of your previous birth be burned away tonight, they said. May your suffering decrease. The misfortunes of your next birth, they said. May the sum of all evil balance in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire, and they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, the peace of understanding one each face